Everyone and welcome. This video I'm going to walk you through how to create a GIF, video or photo for Viber. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Viber app. So if you need chat settings, you tap on the camera icon at the top to open up the camera. And now the next thing you're going to do is, you can see right now I'm using the background. Once you use the phone, you can change it up here, but I don't want to do that, so I'm using the back camera. Let me switch it back to the back camera. The next thing you're going to do is, you can now decide you want a photo. This is for GIF, and this is for photo, and this is for video. So choose the one you want. Let's say I want for video, short video. Tap on the button. So as you can see, because I'm screen recording, I can't do that. It's only a record without sound. But if you're not screen recording, I believe you should use record. I want you to start saving. And the next thing you're going to do is, you can decide to add sticker. Good. You can also decide to delete by clicking the delete button here. I've done that, deleted it. So you can also use the experiment with them. Have fun. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.